Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our project and see what creative adventure we can get into. So I have this piece of plexiglass that I did the video on where I did the infinity pour and then dipped the plexiglass into the infinity pour, and it has dried, and it has dried nicely. So I want to try to do a little bit of detailing or enhancements on this and just see what I can come up with. So I have this piece of holographic vinyl, and I'm thinking that it would look really cool underneath this piece. But you cannot see real clear through the areas. So what I'm thinking that I can do is anywhere where the paint has pulled away from the plexiglass, I can maybe clean those areas off and make it clear so that the holographic vinyl will shimmer and shine and do its thing behind this painting. So I'm just using a Q-tip. So I'm using water on my Q-tip and just very carefully and gently cleaning the paint away and off of the plexiglass wherever it was transparent. And wasn't hard to do. It took me a little bit, but it was not hard to do at all. You can see there how they're coming out and cleaning. So I got this whole side on the left, and I just have to do the side on the right now. And now I got it cleaned and ready to do something with this holographic vinyl. And you can see it so much better now. I think it's going to look great. So my idea is to take the first piece of the plexiglass and to put it into this frame, and I put the little glazier tabs in there to hold it into place, and they have little pieces of metal that actually sticks out and holds the glass into place. And I thought, okay, so I can take the second piece of the holographic vinyl and put it into the back on top of those little glazier points, and it will lift it away just enough from the first piece of plexiglass to give it a 3D look. So I'm going to add the vinyl to this second piece of plexiglass, and then I will put it into the back of the frame. This took a minute to do. Alright, I think we got it on there, and now we can put it in here like this. And look at the cool effect. This is so neat. I don't think the camera does it justice as to what it looks like. Let me slow it down just a little bit so that you can get a better view of it and not be dizzy. And trying to move the lighting a little bit so you don't get the glare from the lights shining on the glass. And it's changing colors under there. You can see some green, and there's a hint of purple in there, a flash of gold every now and then. So I took a light and I put it behind the picture, and just to see what it would look like if it was any transparency through the vinyl, or if it did any changes to the color of it. And it was amazing, to me anyway, that I didn't realize that the Cricut vinyl was, if put on a clear where light could shine through it, that it would be as transparent as it was. So this is the way it looks with the light shining through the back of the vinyl. Gives it a whole nother look. And ideas are going crazy in my head. Okay, how can I install a light behind this? But you can see that it's really changing light green. So I stood the frame upright and left the light behind it, and I'm switched to my phone now because it gives like true colors. And I'm just tilting the frame, and you can see when the light hits it at a different angle, the change and shift in the color on the holographic vinyl. It is so cool. And my daughter saw this and she said, "Mom, it would be so cool to make that an underwater picture with some fish or something in there." And I'm like, oh, my brain is going crazy now. I can figure out how to install a light behind that and put some holographic fish on there. Wow, be awesome. So anyways, I love this. I think it's great. So much fun finding out the different things that you can do with the acrylic pours and how you can enhance them and give them details and just become something that you really wasn't expecting. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you have, please click like and share. You make my channel grow when you do that. So my big announcement is that I have hit 500 subscribers. Yay! And I want to do a giveaway. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I upload the videos. Stay tuned to my channel for the giveaway announcement. And I want to thank y'all for joining me, for supporting me, and for just being a part of this journey. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye-bye for now.